This cool YouTube channel that's making a lot of money, like over $55,000, by posting videos about history. And guess what? They only started doing this about a year ago. Their videos get lots of views, millions actually, and they're always popular. So, there's still a lot of room for more videos like these. They've even gotten over 9 million views in total. Looks like there's a chance for us to do something similar. In this video, I'll explain step by step how you can start your own YouTube channel like theirs using the same method. Yes, you heard that right. If you watch till the end, you'll know everything you need to become a pro at making YouTube videos without much effort. Seriously, we'll cover everything from writing scripts, recording voiceovers, using AI to make images, editing, and more. By the time you finish watching, you'll be a YouTube pro. And just to show you it works, here's a short clip from one of the videos I made using these methods.
High up, 480 feet above the ground, in a structure that's been around for 4,500 years, researchers sent a robot camera to explore inside. But the camera hit a roadblock.
So if you watch the video till the end, you will get a special surprise. Okay, let's talk about making videos. But first, I've got a great tip for you at the end. It's something I've learned from running my YouTube channel. And guess what? You get it for free. No need to spend lots of money on courses. Today's a big deal, so get comfy because we're about to share some valuable insights. Oh, and before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps us out. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Research and analyze competitor channels. The first step in our journey is research. This is where we gather inspiration and understand what worked. Open YouTube and search for history channels that are similar to the successful one we're talking about. Find their most popular video and copy the link. Then, head over to a YouTube transcript generator and paste the link. This tool will provide the full transcript of the video, giving us a detailed look at their content. Once we have the transcript, it's time to analyze it. Look at several videos from the competitor's channel. Pay attention to the length of their videos, the style they use, and the topics they cover. Check out the comments section to see what viewers are saying. What do they like? What do they dislike? This analysis will help us understand what makes their videos successful and how we can create unique content that stands out. For example, if a history channel is popular for its engaging storytelling and high-quality visuals, we should note that. Our goal is to create content that is unique but still incorporates the elements that viewers enjoy. Step 2. Writing a good script. With our research in hand, it's time to write a script. A good script is the backbone of any successful video. Take the transcript you copied from YouTube and paste it into ChatGPT with a prompt to help you create a unique script. Here's an example prompt you can use. Rewrite this script to make it more engaging and unique, focusing on storytelling elements and a conversational tone. Once ChatGPT generates your script, save it in Google Docs. This will allow you to easily access and edit it as needed. Make sure to add your own twist to the script to make it unique and engaging. Remember, storytelling is key. People love stories, so try to weave a narrative that will captivate your audience from start to finish. For instance, if the original video was about the construction of the pyramids, you might start your script with a question that hooks the viewer. Have you ever wondered how the ancient Egyptians managed to build the pyramids without modern technology? Let's travel back in time and uncover the secrets behind these incredible structures. Step 3. Recording voiceovers. If you're not comfortable recording your own voice, you can use AI. I highly recommend using 11 Labs. It's the best voiceover software out there. You can find a link to 11 Labs in the video description. If you use this link, you can sign up for a free plan. With this plan, you get 20 minutes of voice generation each month for free. The voiceover is one of the things these pages do really well. They have a deep and engaging voice that's perfect for storytelling videos. If you go to the voices section and then explore, you'll find many high-quality voices to choose from. I've listened to all the voiceovers on 11 Labs, and it's the only one that has the right style. Let's talk about a guy named Dave. He's got this really deep voice, kind of rough sounding, like he's been through a lot. You know, maybe he's even done some voiceovers for crime shows or something. So, to use his voice in your projects, just click on Add to VoiceLab and it'll be in your library. Then, tweak the settings a bit. I'd say set the stability at 50% so he sounds expressive enough, and clarity at 90% for the best sound quality. After that, paste in the text from ChatGPT and hit Generate. Step 4. Generating AI images and videos. Next, generate an AI video and an AI image. To do this, copy your script from here and paste it into ChatGPT, giving it the prompt to craft each stage of the script using AI video. It will provide prompts from which we can make an AI video. We will use Leonardo AI for this. Send a message using Leonardo AI and go to the image generator. Paste your prompt, which was crafted by ChatGPT, and click on the Generate button. Your image will be created. You can also convert it into motion. First, let the entire image be completed. After the image is generated, change it to video and make it a motion video. Your image will be converted to motion. Next, click on the motion video. It will cost 25 credits. In 25 credits, a motion video will be created. Click on the Generate button. It will take some time, and your video will be ready. You can animate all such images and then download them. Step 5. Create the stock video by opening Canva and searching for your YouTube video. Create a blank canvas, then find a relevant video related to your topic, such as Egypt and the pyramids. Download all suitable videos and search for more according to your theme. I will quickly add all the videos, and then you need to download your video. Step 6. Video editing. Now it's time to edit the video. We will use CapCut, a free and user-friendly video editing software. Download CapCut from CapCut.com or use it online. Import your voiceover, AI-generated images, and any other video clips you want to include. Start by bringing your audio onto the timeline. Then, add the images and video clips. Arrange them to match the flow of your script. If you're using clips from YouTube, make sure to credit the channel you got them from. Copy the channel name, then paste it into CapCut's text tool. This gives proper credit and avoids copyright issues. Remember, it's best to use short clips from the channel, about 5 to 10 seconds each. Mix in some stock footage to avoid copyright problems. Once you've pasted the channel name, you can customize the font and color to your liking. Then, place the text in a corner of the video to give credit where it's due. The next step is adding transitions, which make the video more interesting. Click on the Transitions tab at the top of the screen. From here, you can choose your favorite transition. There are many options available. Some transitions are free, while others are pro versions that require payment. More than half of the transitions are free, so you can use them without any cost. To add a transition, move your cursor to the clip where you want to apply the transition. Then, select the transition you want to use. I'll quickly add transitions to all the clips now. Step 7. Adding sound effects. Before we get to the sound effects, I have a surprise for you. Check the link in the description to download a free video editing pack. This pack includes sound effects, fonts, and raw clips that you can use to create your own videos. It also features music and trending tracks. To download, click the link which will take you to Google Drive. From there, you can download everything for free. Now, let's talk about the sound effects for our video. I have a zip file with sound effects. After clicking the download button, the file will start downloading. Once downloaded, unzip the file on your desktop. Inside, you'll find many sound effects, including cinematic ones. After unzipping, you'll get a folder with all these effects. Next, we'll import these sound effects into our CapCut application. Open CapCut and click on the Import button. Select the entire folder you just unzipped. The sound effects will appear in the section where your transitions are located. You can browse through the sound effects to find the ones you like, especially the cinematic ones. Applying these sound effects will enhance your video and make it look great. There are many options to choose from, so take your time to find the perfect sounds for your project. That's it for now. Let's get started with applying the sound effects. Step 8. Adding captions and effects. Applying video effects. Go to the Video Effects section. Find and apply effects to your stock video and the video you have downloaded. I'll quickly add good effects, so you should do the same. Generating captions. Click on the Captions or Auto Caption option. Select English and click on the Generate button. Wait for the captions to be automatically generated. Captions make your video more engaging. Editing captions. Choose a template for your captions. I will choose the green one. Click on Apply to All to apply the template to all captions. Change the font if needed. You can upload your own fonts too. Make the text smaller and move it to the bottom of the screen. Adding background music. Download background music from the YouTube library or the Drive folder I provided. Find good background music to keep viewers engaged. Add the music to the timeline and lower its volume to 20. Exporting the video. Click on the export button. Give your video a title. Download your video in full resolution. Step 9. Creating a thumbnail. A compelling thumbnail is crucial for attracting viewers. Use Ideogram AI to create a thumbnail. Sign up on ideogram.ai. After signing up, enter the following prompt. Your prompt here. Enter your video title, choose cinematic, click the generate button, keep the ratio as 60:9. After a short wait, you'll get an attractive thumbnail. Click thumbnail and save your thumbnail. Step 10. Uploading and optimizing your video. Now that your video is ready, it's time to upload it to YouTube. Write a catchy title and description. Use relevant keywords to help your video rank higher in search results. Add tags related to your video content. Your title should be attention-grabbing and clearly convey the video's topic. The description should provide a brief overview of the video's content and encourage viewers to watch. Including keywords in both the title and description can improve your video's SEO, helping it reach a wider audience. For example, a good title might be How the Ancient Egyptians Built the Pyramids, Uncovering the Mysteries. The description could include something like, in this video, we explore the incredible engineering feats behind the construction of the pyramids. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating successful YouTube videos that can attract millions of views. Remember, consistency and quality are key. Keep refining your process, stay engaged with your audience, and most importantly, have fun with it. Good luck, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.